Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Um, Now, can you please tell me about your last work experience?
My last work experience, I work in Oman, 6 years with the household, and uh, and I taking care of three kids, one 5 years old, and 3 years old, and 10 months.
Okay, and what were your duties and responsibilities out there? What do you do there?
I do for taking care of kids, and then after the kids go to school, and for cooking and cleaning and the whole household clean.
Okay, and what's the nationality of your employer? Are they local, Omani?
Money
Okay,
local
and how many members in the family?
5.
And by the way, what is the reason why you decided not to continue to work with them?
uh, I decided to not continue my work there because I want to stay in I want to go in UAE to work here.
Okay, you want to have an experience here in UAE.
Yeah,
Okay, now since you're already here and you're looking for a new opportunity, how much will be the minimum salary you'll ask?
1,500.
Okay, and what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Everything I they're cleaning, cooking, or for the kids because I do everything in Oman.
Okay,
But
everything. All right, and what type of food can you cook?
I cook for Omani food, but I cook also for Asian food also. I
Hmm.
know that because I'm experienced also in 7 years in Taiwan.
Mm,
I'm cooked it there also,
okay.
and I know also the Western also.
Okay, that's great. And also, this is in terms of babysitting. How do you know if the baby is sick?
I taking care of if the baby is sick. Just I if my employer, and then because they are sleeping with me.
Mm-hmm.
Then and I said to my boss because sick and ask her to allow her that the baby is sick, and
Okay.
then they are going to hospital and all that time that we go in the hospital, and then they check it the doctor.
Okay. And how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food? Because sometimes kids don't want to finish their food, so what would be a tricks?
I give the tricks. I give something sweets and
Mm-hmm.
chocolates, and they are eating.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what is your hobby?
Yeah, sing and dancing. That is my hobby. And then I'm for sleeping for the baby, I sing for her and then dancing for them.
Okay, that's sweet. And by the way, how long do you want to work here in UAE?
As long as they want.
All right, as long as they want you. And do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Because I want to do be happy for my employer, and because I'm a hard working woman as before. That's why if they give me this job, I do everything for them to be happy.
Okay, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you for the time and have a nice day.